In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to play and win big on POPPO live streaming app. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to also practically withdraw 2000 USDT from POPPO live streaming app, as well as share with you my strategy on how I'm able to earn this much, how I'm able to accumulate it and all that. And again, in this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of this microphone. In my previous video, I mentioned that I'm giving it away for hitting 40,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the beautiful comments. All right, so for you to play and win on POPPO, you need to have coins. So if you are new and you cannot afford to buy coins or anything, I have done a video sharing with you different ways you can earn free coins if you are patient enough. But if you are not, you can actually purchase coin. And I have a Telegram group. Please, as you join my Telegram group, anyone trying to DM you, asking you to pay money for coins or verification is not me, is a scam. Please, let's take note of that and beware. So you can actually buy coins or you can earn it for free. There are people that sell coins on the app. Okay, so how then do you play and win big? Let us first of all withdraw this $2,000. So right here, I'm already on my dashboard because I want to withdraw it so that I can top up coins. So right here, I'm already on my dashboard. Let me click on points. So as I click on points, it shows me the amount of points I have. Points is the earning. So I will click on withdraw now. So when I click on withdraw now, it will ask me to enter the amount of money I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw 2,000 USD. So as I click on 2,000 USD, I'm going to confirm. Yes, and then confirm. Voila. So I'll be waiting. The money will be in my account. So I have topped up my account with 50,000 coins for us to play and win big. Okay, so but for you to start playing to win big, aside from having coins, there are some things you need to note. If you don't have all those things, please ensure you try your best to be in the right position to win big. Number one, you need to put your emotion together. I have studied the gaming industry very well. There was a time I wanted to go into the betting industry, and I really took my time to understand that the number one thing you need to put together is your emotion. If you cannot put your emotion together, you will win, but you will lose all. There are a lot of people that they will win, but at the end of the day, they always lose. So you need to put your emotion together, and you need to have a strategy. Make sure, like, if I top up my account with 50,000 coins and I want to use it to play, I can tell myself that, okay, if I play with, let's say, 20,000 and I keep losing, I will stop. Or sometimes I can tell myself, as I'm going to start playing, I can only play with 5,000. If I'm not winning, I will stop. And no matter how enticing it looks, I have already put my emotion in check. So before I start playing, I put my emotion, my strategy in place. Number two, as I play, if I win, I immediately go and do exchange. If I win 20,000 coins, I'll go and exchange 15,000 and play back with 5,000 into it. So some of you, you play and you win and you lose. So you need to put your emotion and have a strategy. Very important. That's first. Secondly, if you want to keep winning, you need to play. As you give it a break and then come back. Because they are playing with your emotion. It's an AI. This is Web 3. It has already known how you play. So if it has known that you cannot do without it, you are always coming back and again, it will know that you will definitely come back and they are going to eat it. So you need to make sure that if you come and play and you did not gain, or even you gain, give it a break. But some of you win, because you win 100,000 coins in the morning, you think you keep on winning till you lose that 100,000 coin, and you now come back for revenge playing. Because you have lost, you say you must win. And that's how you keep losing. So that's the second thing. The third thing, you need to make sure you have a good internet connectivity. Your internet is very important. Like me now, anytime I go into the city, because I'm living in a village, I used to play very well because I win big. when I'm in a place that has a better network. The fourth thing is you need to make sure your phone has space. Some of you, your phone is hanging and you are playing game. That's why even when you win, instead of it coming to you, it will just, that split second, it's not dropping, because you lose your internet, or your phone was hanging and all that. So you need to ensure you have a space. All those videos and pictures you have been screenshotting that you are not making use of it, that is not useful to you, please delete them. Make sure you clear your cache. It's important. Your phone is lagging, you need to do all that. So if you have put all this in check, then let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So you're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. Here I have topped up my 50,000 coins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a live stream. I can enter to any party. I think I'm already in a particular party panel. Let me, all right, let me, I off. Okay, so I'm right here in a particular party. So how do I play? Okay, how do I play? I just collected my free coins. How do I play? Number one, you need to watch what is happening. You need to watch what is happening, the message that is passing above, like right here. You need to watch what is playing and what is winning, as well as check here what is playing or what is winning. Sometimes when this is purple, there is a game you can play that you win. Sometimes when it is pink, there is a game that you can play and you win. But today we are not talking about only game, we are talking of playing and winning. I don't want to mention the word gam. So because I don't want that to use that word, because it's against the policy of the app. Okay, so what do I do now? As I'm seeing what is winning, and right here is constantly showing who is playing. Like now, as you can see, it's Lollipop that is winning. So what do I do? Number one, I will come and play. I'll click on gifts. So when I click on gifts, I will now click on lucky. When I click on lucky, since it's Lollipop that is playing, and I will now go check Lollipop. So Lollipop here, each one is at 250. So sometimes you'll be wondering, why are some people winning up to 150 coins and all that? Here is the strategy. The more you put in the money, the higher you might win. So right here now, I can click on all if I want to play on everybody. Okay, and if I'm playing on all, you should know that since I'm playing with Lollipop is 250 per person. So how many people are here? If I don't want to play on everybody, I will remove some people. So but right here, I will click on all. Okay, so as I play and as I click on all, then if you want to play like 10 times at once, you click this 10 times. So most people that you see that they are earning well, they are getting higher amount, is because they click on 10 times, 20 times, or 18 times. Okay, so but me, I don't used to start playing 10 times, 20 times, or 14 times. The first thing I do is I'll use these ones. I'll click like 1, 2, 3 times. That means 250 on each everybody 3 times. If I play like that and I see that I'm winning, then I'll come and click 10 times. All right, so let me click right here once, and then I'll click 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you see, as you can see now, my 50 is now 55. You see, it's going. Wow, 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 wow. See my coins. Wow, wow, wow. That's beautiful. Can you see what I won? Goodness me, goodness me, goodness me. Wow, wow. I couldn't even hold my joy. So yes, now if I click on my coins, you can see I now have, wow, I have up to 87 coins. So that is it. So you need to make sure you are watching and you play. Like this one now, it was just like a joke that I decided to just play, and I'm meant to play only like 3 times, and I keep on tapping, and I won. So that is how you can play and win big. You need to watch what is happening. That is one. Number two, I want to now, this is one thing I do to be able to accumulate. So as I play this 87,000 coins now, I can now run and go and do exchange of 50,000 and make sure that my 50,000 is back to me. Even if I will go back to play, I will now play with maybe 20,000 and leave 10,000 extra. So those are the strategy that you need to use to win and be playing and be winning big. Another way that I'm able to accumulate this amount of money is I also play games. But a lot of people play the complicated games. Me, I love Lucky Wheels. Other people complain, but it is important that as you are on the app, you keep trying different things to see which one suits you the most. So I love Golden Flower. I love playing Lucky Wheels. Lucky Wheels used to give me a lot more money. That's the second one. The third way I'm able to accumulate this amount of money is in the description of my video and in the comment section of all my videos about Poppolive. I drop links for people to sign up, and anyone that sign up and is active, I earn. Another way I make money to accumulate this amount of money is I am an agent. As people use my link to become agents, as people use my link or join my agency, as they are active on the app, I am also making money on the app. Another way again that I also make a lot of money on this app is I used to open my panel and leave it open for a long time. So as people are on my panel, people play, and as they're throwing, imagine all these people that are in this panel that I went and play now. As I play, as people play on me, I used to accumulate so much. Sometimes people will just come and say thank you, and they'll send me gifts and all that. So that's how I'm able to accumulate this much money, and I'm able to withdraw up to $20,000 or $2,000. I can't wait for the day I'll withdraw $20,000. So that's how I'm able to withdraw up to $2,000, because I used to play and I used to exchange and I used to play games and I used to earn from my agency and all that. All right, so our winner for the microphone is Deborah Chibita. So she was like, congratulations, Ma IJAPARI, on hitting 40,000 subscribers. Your journey has been such an inspiration to me, right from when I stumbled on POPPO down to creating content. I have been putting in work to create my own content, but I'm limited by the equipment I own. Winning this lapel microphone will help me improve the quality of my videos and audios, giving me less stress in editing and the sound and voiceover of my content. Your dedication to pushing out content, knowledge, and value motivates me to keep pushing more value on POPPO and also content creation. Earning this lapel microphone is a stepping stone to achieving my goal in pushing out more value. Thank you for considering me, and you have been considered. Like, reading this message really made me emotional that day. So reach out to me on my Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle, showing me that you are the owner of this account. Then we'll now see how this microphone can get to you. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be doing more giveaway as I clock 40 this year by November. So make sure you engage with my content. The giveaway is going to be segment by segment once I'm 40. So make sure you like this video, drop a beautiful comment. All the videos about playing games and every video I've ever made about Poppolive, I will drop in the description of this video. I will drop a link to the playlist on how to play game. If you want to become an agent, how to withdraw and all that. If you have questions, ask in the comment section. Hope to see you in my next video. Do show you like. Bye.